Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making Pichi-Pichi. To start, place grated cassava into a strainer. Remove excess water. You can use cheesecloth to squeeze out excess water. Place strained cassava into a small size bowl. Add sugar, water, and lye water. Mix thoroughly, then add pandan extract. You can add more pandan extract. Also, you can use vanilla extract. Add cassava mixture into a shaping mold. Fill halfway. Steam for 20 to 30 minutes at medium heat. Let it cool for 10 minutes. Remove from mold, then roll in grated coconut. Plate and serve. So delicious and easy to make. One of my favorite Filipino dessert. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.